Have you ever gazed out at a vast ocean and wondered about the giant ships that sail across it? These vessels, some longer than the tallest skyscrapers, are a testament to human ingenuity. They are a wonder of engineering and human endeavor. Shipbuilding, the art of constructing these behemoths, is a captivating blend of engineering prowess and meticulous craftsmanship. From the first blueprint to the final launch, the journey of a ship's creation is a marvel to behold. It is a process that has fascinated humankind for millennia, connecting us across continents and cultures. For centuries, ships have been the lifeblood of global trade, transporting goods and people across oceans. They have played pivotal roles in exploration, warfare, and cultural exchange. Today, as we stand at the cusp of technological advancement, shipbuilding continues to evolve, incorporating cutting-edge technologies to create even more efficient and magnificent vessels. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of shipbuilding, exploring the intricate steps involved in transforming sheets of steel into awe-inspiring ships. I implore you to stay till the end of the video so that you can understand the birth of a ship from the initial design to the final launch. You'll see how thousands of skilled workers, each playing a crucial role, come together to create these complex masterpieces. My friends, prepare to be amazed by modern shipbuilding's sheer scale and complexity, a testament to human innovation and our enduring fascination with the sea. Before we continue, we have a small request to make. Please kindly like and share this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other viewers. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified when we release more videos. Every ship begins its life as an idea, a vision of purpose and design. Naval architects, the masterminds behind these floating cities, translate these visions into detailed blueprints. These blueprints are like the ship's DNA, dictating every aspect of its creation. They are meticulously crafted, taking into account factors like the ship's purpose, size, speed, and stability. The blueprints are then used to create scaled-down models of the ship, tested in water tanks to predict its performance in real-world conditions. These models help engineers refine the design, ensuring the ship's stability, maneuverability, and efficiency. It's like giving the ship a test drive before it's even built. Once the design is finalized, the ship's components are manufactured in factories around the world. Massive steel plates, some weighing several tons, are cut, shaped, and welded together to form the ship's hull. Engines, propellers, navigation systems, and countless other components are meticulously crafted and ready to be assembled. The precision and coordination involved in this stage are astonishing, a testament to the global nature of modern shipbuilding. The manufacturing of a ship is very much as intricate as the manufacturing of an airplane. I recommend that you go watch my video on how airplanes are manufactured for you to see the wonders involved. The link is shown on the screen. The official start of a ship's construction is the keel-laying ceremony, the backbone of the giant. This tradition, dating back centuries, is steeped in symbolism. What is the keel of a ship, and why is it so significant? The keel is the ship's backbone, a massive steel beam that runs along the entire length of the hull. It provides structural strength, acting as the foundation upon which the entire ship is built. During the ceremony, a coin is often placed under the keel block for good luck. This tradition, believed to bring good fortune to the ship and its crew, highlights the human element intertwined with the technical aspects of shipbuilding. The keel block, a massive structure that supports the keel during construction, is then lowered into place. With the keel in place, the ship's basic structure begins to take shape. Steel plates, pre-cut and shaped according to the blueprints, are hoisted into position and welded together. The process is like assembling a giant jigsaw puzzle, with each piece carefully aligned and secured. Skilled welders working with intense heat and precision fuse the steel plates together, creating the watertight seams that will keep the ship afloat. As the hull takes shape, the true scale of the ship becomes apparent. Section by section, the steel plates are joined together, forming the ship's distinctive curved shape. This process, known as hull erection, requires immense coordination and skill. Cranes, some capable of lifting hundreds of tons, carefully maneuver the massive steel sections into place. Inside the hull, a network of ribs, frames, and bulkheads begins to take shape. These internal structures provide additional strength and support, dividing the hull into compartments. The compartments serve multiple purposes, enhancing the ship's stability, buoyancy, and safety. Some compartments are used for cargo, others for machinery, and some are even designed to hold ballast water, which can be adjusted to keep the ship stable in rough seas. As the hull grows taller, scaffolding and platforms are erected around it, providing access for the workers. The shipyard transforms into a hive of activity, with welders, fitters, electricians, and countless other tradespeople working tirelessly to bring the ship to life. The air crackles with the sound of welding torches, the clang of hammers, and the shouts of workers communicating across the vast construction site. The next aspect is the outfitting of the heart engines, propellers, and more. With the hull nearing completion, attention turns to the ship's internal systems. Massive engines, often taller than a house, are carefully lowered into the engine room. These powerful machines, the ship's beating heart, will propel it across the oceans. They are engineering marvels, capable of generating immense power to turn the ship's propellers. The propellers, massive blades that spin beneath the waterline, are attached to the propeller shafts. These shafts, connected to the engines, transfer the rotational force that propels the ship forward. The size and design of the propellers are crucial for the ship's speed and fuel efficiency. In addition to the engines and propellers, the ship is fitted with a complex network of pipes, cables, and electrical systems. These systems provide essential services like electricity, ventilation, sanitation, and fire control. It's like building a small city, complete with its own power plant, water treatment facility, and waste management system. A ship is a city afloat after adding the superstructure. The superstructure, the part of the ship that rises above the main deck, is where the ship's living and working spaces are located. This includes the bridge, cabins for the crew, galleys, mess halls, and other amenities. The superstructure may also house specialized equipment and facilities depending on the ship's purpose. For example, a cruise ship will have multiple decks dedicated to passenger cabins, restaurants, swimming pools, and entertainment venues. On the other hand, a cargo ship will have a more utilitarian superstructure, with cargo holds and cranes taking precedence. The superstructure is often built in modules that are lifted into place and connected to the main deck. As the superstructure takes shape, the ship begins to resemble its final form. The exterior is painted, windows are installed, and lifeboats are secured to their davits. Inside, carpenters, electricians, plumbers, and decorators work tirelessly to create comfortable and functional living spaces. The attention to detail is remarkable, from the intricate woodwork in the captain's cabin to the colorful mosaics in the passenger areas. Now comes the launching day, a ceremony of pride and hope. The launch of a ship is a momentous occasion, a culmination of years of planning, design, and hard work. It is a day of celebration, marking the ship's transition from land to water. The launch ceremony is steeped in tradition, often involving the breaking of a bottle of champagne against the ship's bow for good luck. As the ship slides down the slipway and into the water for the first time, a collective gasp of awe and excitement ripples through the crowd. Believe me, it is a sight to behold, a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring allure of the sea. The ship, once a static structure in a dry dock, is now a buoyant vessel, ready to be outfitted for its maiden voyage. For the shipbuilders, the launch is a bittersweet moment, a time to reflect on the challenges overcome and the bonds forged during the construction process. For the ship's future crew, it is a day of anticipation, the beginning of countless adventures on the open ocean. And for those who will sail aboard her, whether for work or pleasure, the launch represents the promise of new horizons and unforgettable experiences. The next stage is sea trials testing the waters. After the launch, the ship undergoes a series of rigorous sea trials to test its systems and performance. This is where the ship's design and construction are put to the ultimate test. Engineers, technicians, and a skeleton crew take the ship out to sea, pushing its engines, steering, and navigation systems to their limits. The sea trials are designed to identify and rectify any remaining issues before the ship is delivered to its owner. The ship's speed, maneuverability, stability, and fuel consumption are carefully monitored and analyzed. These trials are crucial for ensuring the ship's safety and seaworthiness. The crew conducts various tests, including speed runs, turning circles, and emergency drills. They simulate different weather conditions and sea states to assess how the ship performs in rough seas. The data collected during sea trials is invaluable for fine-tuning the ship's systems and ensuring optimal performance. final touches and delivery, ready to sail. Once the sea trials are successfully completed, the ship returns to the shipyard for final outfitting and inspections. This includes installing any remaining equipment, applying the final coats of paint, and conducting thorough safety checks. The ship is then formally handed over to its owner in a delivery ceremony. The delivery ceremony marks the end of the shipbuilding process and the beginning of the ship's operational life. The ship's flag is raised for the first time, symbolizing its nationality and readiness to sail the high seas. It is a time of pride and accomplishment for all involved, from the naval architects and engineers to the welders, fitters, and countless others who contributed to its creation. The ship, now a marvel of engineering and human endeavor, is ready to embark on its intended purpose. Whether it's transporting cargo, exploring uncharted waters, or providing luxurious travel experiences, the ship will play a vital role in our interconnected world. Ships, connecting the world and our dreams. As we've journeyed through the fascinating process of shipbuilding, we've witnessed the remarkable transformation of raw materials into awe-inspiring vessels. From the initial blueprints to the final launch, shipbuilding is a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and our enduring fascination with the sea. These colossal vessels, often longer than the tallest skyscrapers, are much more than just steel and machinery. They are symbols of global trade, connecting continents and cultures. Ships transport goods and people across oceans, facilitating international commerce and cultural exchange. They are instruments of exploration, venturing into uncharted territories, expanding our understanding of the planet. And they are vessels of dreams, carrying passengers on unforgettable journeys, creating lasting memories. The next time you see a ship on the horizon, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken, from the drawing board to the open ocean. It is a journey that embodies human ambition, technological innovation, and the enduring allure of the sea. As long as we continue to explore, to dream of distant shores, and to connect with the wider world, ships will continue to be built, carrying our hopes and aspirations across the waves. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Invite your friends and family to join us and visit regularly for more fascinating videos.